Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you just stopped by, please click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Flipping Furniture Challenge, and this is hosted by The Mug Life DIY and SimpleRoots SimpleLiving. If you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed my video, please do click on the videos in the playlist. We have got amazing DIYs with great inspirations. So today I'm going to make a table out of things that came in the packaging. So let's get started. this is the final reveal of my project, you guys. And this is basically, I created a display station for my videos. So like you saw the process, this is all the packaging stuff. And I basically, stuck those two thermocol pieces and topped it with foam board on either side, and also covered it with the felt that also came in the packaging. And those are my cranberry juice bottles. And as you saw the process, I painted them white. And basically I mixed white acrylic paint with baby powder to just give like a texture to it. And I also stuck one of the ribbon at the top of the bottle, and I inverted the bottle and just gave like a feet of the table. And I also got one of the white foam board, and I drew lines like a shiplap kind of a look that I want to give there, and I stuck in the back of that table. And I also laid one of the garland. So this is how I'm going to use my display station to record outros for my videos. So this is something that I did from trash to treasure. So I'm very excited about this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.